Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stewart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey for the greener, the better. Join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been raising concerns in recent years: the environmental impact of drones. Drones have become increasingly popular for various applications, but do we fully understand their ecological footprint? Let's explore.
Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, have become increasingly popular for various applications, including surveillance, delivery, and photography. However, their energy consumption is a critical concern. Most drones rely on lithium polymer batteries, which have limited capacity and require frequent recharging. As drone usage grows, so does the demand for electricity to power them. Charging these batteries contributes to overall energy consumption, especially if the electricity comes from non-renewable sources.
Drones have revolutionized several industries. They play a crucial role in agriculture, helping farmers monitor crops more efficiently and reduce the use of harmful pesticides. They aid in search and rescue operations, potentially saving lives. And they provide an invaluable tool for wildlife researchers, allowing us to study and protect endangered species. Plus, drones can be more energy efficient than traditional methods in some cases, like monitoring vast areas of land or inspecting infrastructure, so they are not all bad for the environment.
While drones themselves do not emit greenhouse gases directly, their life cycle involves manufacturing, transportation, and maintenance. The production of drone components such as batteries, plastics, and electronics generates emissions. Additionally, transporting drones to various locations consumes fossil fuels. Regular maintenance and replacement of parts also contribute to the overall carbon footprint. To mitigate this impact, manufacturers and operators should prioritize sustainable materials, efficient designs, and renewable energy sources.
However, here's where it gets tricky. Drones rely on batteries, and not all batteries are created equal. Many consumer drones use lithium polymer batteries, which require a significant amount of energy to manufacture and have a limited lifespan. This leads to increased electronic waste. Moreover, charging these batteries often relies on electricity generated from fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Some larger drones even use gasoline engines, which can be highly polluting.
Drones offer significant benefits, such as improved monitoring of wildlife, precision agriculture, and disaster response. However, striking a balance between these advantages and environmental concerns is crucial. Researchers are exploring alternative energy sources for drones such as solar panels and hydrogen fuel cells. Additionally, optimizing flight paths and minimizing unnecessary flights can reduce energy use. As the drone industry continues to evolve, responsible practices and innovation will be essential to minimize its impact on the environment.
The good news is that researchers and companies are working on solutions to mitigate the environmental impact of drones. Solar-powered drones, for instance, harness renewable energy and reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, stricter regulations and guidelines for drone usage are being put in place to ensure responsible flying and minimize environmental damage. In conclusion, drones have undeniable advantages, but their energy consumption and emissions cannot be ignored. It's crucial that we continue to develop and adopt more sustainable drone technologies. As consumers, we can make a difference by choosing drones with longer-lasting batteries and advocating for responsible drone usage. And of course, supporting the development of cleaner energy sources is vital.
In summary, while drones provide valuable services, their energy consumption and associated emissions must be carefully managed to ensure a sustainable future. By adopting eco-friendly practices and advancing technology, we can harness the benefits of drones without compromising our planet's well-being.
Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of the environmental impact of drones. Let's strive for a balance between technological advancement and protecting our planet. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you found this video informative. Until next time, this is Stewart signing off.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stewart on the Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.